meron tayong mga bagong videos, okay, mga bagong uploads, expect nyo na yung name nyo, your channel name will appear in the description of our videos, okay, para mas madali ang access ng ating mga followers, mga friends na mag-visit sa ating video at makikita ang name ng inyong channel, so mas mabilis nilang puntahan para makapagparami pa tayo ng ating mga genuine and legit friends dito sa YT World. Alright, so you will expect too guys that whenever you will have some premieres or live streaming, then I will take charge of promoting, okay, your activities, your YouTube activities, so I can send links to our friends and post it on our community and our social media accounts. Okay, so guys, dito sa BLDG Productions, okay, we will try to continue uploading quality, educational, informative videos para meron tayong mapanood at matuto tayo dito sa YT World. And of course guys, if you are a member to our channel, okay, expect nyo na you will be considered, okay, you are a part of our family. So we treat you as our family, not only as a follower or subscriber or as a member of this club, but as a family member. At ayan guys, kapag member kayo dito sa ating channel, okay, our membership club, you will feel that you are a family. So ano pa yung hinihintay natin? So meron tayong mga iba't ibang level, so you may choose, okay, any level that you want to be part of the BLDG family production. Ayan guys, so yun yung mga perks, mga offers ng club membership dito sa BLDG Productions. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? So sana mag-join na kayo. Thank you so much and God bless. Adios!
Ciao!